In this lesson, we're looking at the information that we've got in Venn diagrams and reorganizing it to put it into a two-way table. So we can see here, this is what a two-way table looks like, and it's got a few different categories. In this case, we looked at people who were catching the bus and people who had a brother, and say Philippa sits out here outside of both of those categories. She doesn't fit into either of them. So we're doing the same thing here. We've got a category for people who catch the bus and people who don't catch the bus, people who have a brother and people who don't have a brother. So we would know that Philippa would sit in here, the not bus and not brother section, because that's where she is categorized. So we're going to try and do the same thing. And what happens, is in all of these, we get to the same total. We should always have our totals down the bottom, and 5 plus 3 gives us 8 and 4 plus 4 gives us 8. So that's what we're aiming to do. All right, we've got some information down here. This is our chart. This is our Venn diagram. We've got people who like English and people who like maths, and these people sitting outside who don't like either. So we're going to do a quick count because we want to see what our totals are going to be. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are aiming to get to 11 each time we do this. That's our goal. All right, let's firstly start with the people who like English. Okay, so they're going to be in this big circle over here. They must fit in there. They have to be in there. Otherwise, they don't get categorized into this column here. So the people who like English and the people who are maths. So maths plus English, they fit into both categories, and that will be these two where the category circles overlap in the Venn diagram. So we will have two people there. This time it's the people who like English who fit into that circle but don't like maths. They don't fit into the maths circle as well. And this is what we've got here. 1, 2, 3. So we can add them in, and we have a total down here of 5. Now let's look at the people who don't fit into the English section. So they don't fit into the English circle. They're not liking English. So we've got a choice of people who are not English and maths, or not English or not maths. All right, so the not English people outside of the English circle, but who do like maths. So that is B, C, and J, and that means we have 3 to put in here. The people who don't like English and don't like maths will sit outside of both of these circles. So we've got E, F, and K. So that is 3 people. Total of 6, and we know that 5 plus 6 does give us 11. So that's great. Okay, this time let's total it sideways so we can see what we've got. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, and we've got the same number there. So we've recategorized all this information into a numerical two-way table.